The blood vessels now, they are of three kinds: arteries, capillaries, and veins. Let us understand the characteristics of an artery. Carries blood away from the heart. Thick muscular walls. Why? Because blood flows in arteries with a great pressure and jerk. It has a narrow lumen, that is opening. You can see narrow lumen, and it has no valves. Okay, now this is the structure of an artery. The pink one that you see is endothelium. Okay, I have marked the inside one, narrow lumen, so the opening is small. You have the brown, it's marked with tunica externa. You need to know the layers, very important. And tunica, green portion, is known as tunica media. All right, three layers: endothelium, externa, and media. Next, now characteristics of veins. Now it carries deoxygenated blood towards the heart, thin muscular walls, a wider lumen, has valves to prevent the backflow of blood. So these are the simple things they are going to ask you also questions. Why veins have valves, and why arteries have thick muscular walls. They have wider lumen. Same thing over here. Brown is tunica externa. Endothelium, okay, pink one. Another also name for that is tunica interna and tunica media. All right, the green portion. Now, characteristics of a capillary: has no muscles, outward diffusion of oxygen, inward diffusion of carbon dioxide. Means the main function is exchange of gases takes place over here. And it also allows WBCs to squeeze out. Very important function of capillaries. Now let us compare the structure also. We can compare over here. We have artery over here, we have vein. We have the lumen over here, a big lumen over here and a small one. You have tunica media over here. Alright, so okay, you have tunica interna also over there. Can you see that? The purple one. And you have tunica externa, also known as connective tissues. They have main connective tissues over there. And in case of tunica media, smooth muscles and elastic fibers are there. All right. Next, now in case of capillaries, you just see a section. All right, lumen is also there. Very important in case of capillaries, we have vasodilation and vasoconstriction. Let us understand. Vasodilation means increases blood supply to any body parts. So vasoconstriction means reduces blood supply. Vasodilation means increases blood supply to any body parts, and vasoconstriction means reduces blood supply. So in today's lesson, we have come to know three kinds of vessels: arteries, capillaries, and veins. We have come to know the characteristics of an artery, that it carries blood away from the heart, thick muscular walls, a narrow lumen, and has no valves. So characteristics of a vein: carries deoxygenated blood towards the heart, thin muscular walls, a wider lumen, has valves. And we have also learned about the characteristics of a capillary: has no muscles, outward diffusion of oxygen, inward diffusion of carbon dioxide, and also allows WBC to squeeze out. And we have compared the structure of artery and vein. Okay, we have compared.